A good day to all of you. I am Pradeep from RD Group of Schools. And RD Group of Schools started online teaching program for you so that you can learn and grow at your home. So I am Pradeep from RD Group of School. I am going to teach you today mathematics and our today's topic is 5 digit numbers. In 5 digit numbers we are going to learn today count by 10,000s. So our today's agendas are, first of all we are going to introduce today's topic, then we do an activity, then on the basis of activity we have done some analysis questions, then discussion of the activities, what we have learned through an activity, then a reading work. Then after doing all these work, some questions, a worksheet given to you, and you have to do that worksheet S1. After completed our worksheet, some questions are given to you for extra practice for homework, so that you can do extra practice at your home. And at the last we are going to summarize our topic. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to tell you our aim. Today what we are going to learn. So our today's aim to skip count by 1000 and 10,000 to reach 1 lakh. As we know there are 4 digits in 1000 and 5 digits in 10,000 that we have learned in our previous class. So the new one is lakh. In lakh there are 6 digits followed by 5 zeros, one at the lakh place and 5 zeros behind 1. So what are the tools required? So today tools required are notebook, pencil, fake currency. You can use by write on the paper slip. Yes, it is for your help and parents. 8 notes of 1000, 10 notes of 500, 10 notes of 100 and 10 notes of 50. Workbook S1 and content book. Respected parents, please arrange these resources for activity and execution of work perfectly. So let's start. First of all, what numbers do you see? How they are different? Are they same? Okay, as it is seen on the screen, the numbers are 1, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. All have ones and zeros. 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh have commas. Do you know why these numbers have commas? These numbers have commas to separate the periods, to separate the numbers, we can say. 1000 has 1 comma after 3 zeros from the behind. So last 3 digit is known as ones period. So it is easy to read and understand that the fourth digit place is 1000. So the number is 1000. At 10,000 there are 1 commas after 3 digits from the behind. So as 1 is at 10,000 place that we have learned in previous class, 0 at 1000 place and 000 at one's period. So it is 10,000. In 1 lakh there are 5 zeros and 1 ones. So there are 2 commas. So it is very important to know why there are 2 commas. As we know, in one speed there are 3 digits. We put first commas 3 digits from the behind, and the second comma we put after two digits from first comma. So in place value chart there is one at 1 lakh place and it is followed by 5 zeros, so the number is 1 lakh. So let's move forward. So our today's activity, today we will count our money and make group of 10,000s. Respected parents, please help your wards to do this activity. And one more important thing, please help your parents not do this activity. It is for the students, not for you. You can only give hint to the students if they are not able to do. So instructions of this activity, keep fake money and rubber band with you. Now with your notes count 10,000 rupees. Then write the number of notes used in your notebook and find as many ways to make 10,000 as you can. As you found a way, wrap a rubber band around each 10,000. Count your total. It will complete your activity. I'll give an example to you. For example, you are counting 10 by ones. So how many ones in 10? So if we are counting by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By counting 1 by 1, we reach at 10 by 10 skips. So we need 1 ones to make 10. In the same way, if we are going to reach at 100 by counting the tens, we have to need 10 notes of 10 to reach an 100. In the same manner, now we have to reach 10,000s. So we do first for you, then you have to do with yourself. First, how many 100 rupees notes required to reach at 10,000? So by counting by 100, so what is the next place of 100? Next place is 1000. So each higher place is 10 times of the last place. So after 100, the next place is 1000. So we need 10 notes of 100 to reach at 1000. And the next place of 1000 is 10,000. So again we need 10 notes. So here we reach to the 10,000 by 10 multiply 10 and by multiply 10. So 10 tens are 100. So we need 100 notes of 100 to reach at 10,000. Rest you have to do with yourself. So let's move forward. This activity for you, you have to complete this activity at your home. How did you count the money? If you have money, how do you count? We usually count money starting with largest note, so we can count by thousands, 500s and hundreds, and finally by 50s. So this means whenever we have money, we first count the largest number note, then so on. How did you make 10,000? There are many ways to make 10,000. For example, if we have note of 500 and 1000, first we count the 1000 rupees note, then 500 rupees note. So there are so many ways. One I'll take for you. If we have 8 notes of 1000 and 4 notes of 500, it will make 10,000. How many 10,000 make the next place 1 lakh? As we know, the next place of 10,000 is 1 lakh in the place value chart. So as it is the very next place, so very next place is always 10 times to the last place. So we need 10,000s to make 1 lakh. How we will write 1 lakh? First of all, we have to write the place value chart starting from ones, tens, 100, 1000, lakh. As we have to write 1 lakh, so first we write 1 at the lakh place and remaining 0 behind it. It will make 1 lakh. Each higher place is 10 times the last place. How many lakhs are needed to add another place? How do we multiply each place by to get the next place value? 10 more lakh will be add to add a new place. We multiply 10 to get the next place value. This is the reading work for you. You have to read with yourself. I'll read for you. Numbers 10,000 to 10 lakh. Count by 10,000s. Place value follows a pattern. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like this. Each higher place value is 10 times the last place value. We already know the place value of 10,000. The next place value can be reached by counting the present place value 10 times. Beyond 5 digits or the 10,000 place lies the lakh place value. When we count by 10,000, we get lakhs place value forming a 6-digit number. As the place value shown there, place value chart shown there, it is started from the ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Each higher place is 10 times. Each higher place is 10 times of the last place. So ones to tens, there are 10 ones needed to tens, 10 tens needed to hundreds, 10 hundreds needed to reach thousands, 10 thousands needed to reach 10,000, 10 thousands needed to reach lakh, and 10 lakh needed to reach 10 lakhs. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Here the important thing that we have to learn is each higher place value is 10 times the last place this. So what are the keywords we have learned today? The keywords that we have learned today are 10,000s, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, and skip count. So skip count is very much important there. Skip count. What is skip count? For example, we have to skip by 1000. So first of all, we have to go at 1000 place. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So this is the 1000 place. So as we have to skip by 1000, we have to skip by 1000. So we have to add 1 at 1000 place. Remaining are same. So 2, 3, 2 remaining are same. We have to skip by 1000. We have to add 1 at 1000 place. So the number is 2232. I think you all got this point. So as we have done our topic, so based on the today's topic, this worksheet you have to complete. So some questions are given to you. You have to do these questions. First question: use the notes to make 10,000 in different ways. So as one example we have already discussed, you have to make 10,000. There are so many ways to do that. You have to use these notes: 100, 10, and coin 1 and 1000 note. Continue the counting for the number below. So first of all, count by 50. So it is given there, count by 50. You have to skip by 50, 50, 50, 50 and reach to the next place. Count by 100, count by thousands. So these are very easy questions for you. You have to do these questions in your notebook. Third question: what number comes before and after the number in the middle? Yes, so middle number is given for you. You have to write down the number comes before and after. So this worksheet you have to do in your notebook, and for the extra practice some questions are given to you. You have to do that questions also. So these are the additional practice question. The first question: what the place values of 6 and 7? Second question: underline the digit at lakhs place. So as today's topic, I hope today's topic is clear to you, and you have to do all these questions. If some problems you get, then take help of your parents. And so let's summarize our today's topic, what we have learned today. So today's summary is: today we have learned about skip counting and how to write numbers in place value chart. So I think that's all from my side. So again, I hope that you stay safe at your home and quarantine yourself at your home and start learning at your home.